Hello everyone, I'm nutritionist Bidisha and welcome to my channel Nutrifond. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then press the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon right next to it. Today I will share a cauliflower leaves recipe which I have already shared in Facebook and Instagram before. If you haven't followed me in Facebook and Instagram, then go and follow me there. Cauliflower leaf is a rich source of iron, so it is a good option for those who are suffering from anemia. For those who have a confusion, cauliflower leaves are nothing but the green leaves that cover the cauliflower, which we most of the time discard. For this recipe, I have taken 400 grams of cauliflower leaves, 15 garlic cloves, and 4 to 5 green chilies. And first of all, we need to chop each and every item properly so that we can grind it easily. Add chopped cauliflower leaves, garlics, and green chilies into a mixer and make it a smooth paste. Add half a cup of water so that you can blend it easily. Heat 20 ml of mustard oil and add half of nigella seed into it. After 2 to 3 minutes, add the cauliflower leaf paste into it. Add salt and sugar as per your taste. Cook it till the water evaporates completely and add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil into it only if you like the flavor of raw mustard oil and turn off the flame after it. Now the dish is ready. You can have it with rice or roti, both as per your choice. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Eat smart, go fit. Thank you.